The NutriBullet NutriBullet system is a unique piece of tech that delivers healthy, nutritious drinks which can help you fight and prevent disease, lose weight, relieve your pain, promote a healthy lifestyle, and even add years to your life. Aesthetically speaking, this blender comes in a stainless steel blade design with cyclonic action. Additionally, this unit is a 12-piece blender and it's extremely durable even though it has a plastic body. It'll last for a long time without any issue. Aside from the stylish and high-quality base unit, a variety of different sized cups are provided. In the package you'll find a useful handle and lids for the cups, which will allow you to take your juice with you wherever you go, or you could just pour it into your own bottles or cups. Let's talk about performance. The NutriBullet NBR-1201R is a compact mixer blender. It utilizes a 600-watt motor in combination with its tough, durable cutting blades to process fruit and vegetables with ease. In addition, this blender is pretty convenient and easy to use. Even kids could use it without any difficulty. To make a smoothie, you just have to add the desired ingredients into the cup, fruits, greens, or whatever you want, and you'll have your favorite smoothie as fast as possible. Moreover, this powerful machine pulverizes fruits, even frozen ones, and veggies, finely grinds seeds, and is an absolute beast on ice. You can use it many times every day for smoothies, and it's also recommended for business use, since it can withstand up to 7 hours of daily use and still perform without a problem. It also does the job perfectly with protein shakes and other milkshakes. Furthermore, it's important to mention that the NutriBullet includes dishwasher-safe parts. The lid and blades are also easily detachable, allowing for quick cleaning and easy assembly. My only remark regarding this blender is the noise. Sometimes it can be very loud, but taking into consideration the powerful motor, any noise created by the machine is very short-lived. Finally, you should definitely consider the NutriBullet NutriBullet since it comes at a fair price and it performs remarkably.